Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura NF4 here. It was just having some issues with brewing, just no coffee coming out. So I did a full tune-up on the machine. So I replaced the gaskets, did a deep cleaning, descaling, and I'll just do a quick test for you. There you go. It does still need a new filter, as you can see here, but that can just be purchased by the owner. So otherwise, everything looks great. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.